Hey guys, welcome back to my channel PC Hero Detective. In this video, I will show you how to enable vertical tab on Google Chrome. Are you looking to give your Google Chrome browser a face lift while adding functionality and extra space? In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on tabs that turn vertical. This is perfect for people who have tons of tabs open at one time. Let me show you how to do it. First, open your Chrome browser. Then go on three doors, go it down, then click on settings. Now remove setting work from your address bar, then just simply write flags, then press enter. Now go on search bar and type vertical. Now click on drop down list and click on it enable, then click on it relaunch, and it will be automatically launched on your browser. Now open a new tab, then right click on your mouse, then click on show tabs vertically. Then you will have your vertical features. And if you wanna go on horizontally, again right click on your mouse, then select show tab horizontally. It will be automatically show again. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. I will see in my next video.